Hello guys and welcome. Today I will introduce you to a 5-level tiered masternode coin called Pentanode. You can get this one right here. And I will show you how to download the wallet. So let's just begin with the download. We will go here to the orange section, click on download, choose our wallet, click right here. You can see the download is starting. Alright, the download is finished. We will click just right there, minimize the browser. As you can see, it contains just one file, and we will drag this one right to the desktop. Oh, there it is. And double click on this, open it, and you will see the wallet is loading. Now, this is our wallet, looks very clean and nice. I kind of like it. Right here on the button you can see it says synchronizing with the network. We have a progress bar, we have 3 icons, and I will show you what these icons are. The first one is a lock, and you can see it's open. If we hover over, it says wallet is not encrypted. Next to it we have an arrow. It's the staking arrow. It says not staking because wallet is syncing. And then we have some bars. These bars are the connection bars, and it says like 10 active connections to the Pentanode network. Let's just wait for the network to synchronize, and then we will move on how to get the wallet secure and encrypted. Okay, our wallet is now synced with the network, and we can see that there is a fourth icon. It is a green check and it says up to date. So let's just go on with the encrypting of the wallet. We will go here to settings, click on encrypt wallet, take a passphrase. I will take ABCDE. We have to confirm it. And a warning is popping up. It says if you lose the passphrase, you lose all your coins. So I'm aware of that. I noted it. Let's say yes. Okay, the wallet is closing. We have to open it again. Here we go. And we can see that the lock is locked and it's closed. If we hover over now, it says wallet is encrypted and currently locked. So if you want to get some coins, let's go back to the website. There we go. Right here on the green section, we see buy some coins. Click on this one. You can see a nice overview of buying packages. So let's just show you how to buy some coins. Click here on this one, buy a staking booster, and you will get to a buying form. This is how the buying form looks like. Here we go. You put your Pentanode address right in here, your email. You can see how many coins you will get and what the coin's price is. If you don't have Bitcoin, you can choose and switch here to Ether. There you have the Ether price, and click on buy staking booster. If you don't know how to find your Pentanode address, let's go back to our wallet. We will go to receive. There we go. You can see we have a Pentanode address already right here with no label. Let's just right click on it, copy address, and paste it in. That's all. Alright, you bought some coins. Let's go back to our wallet so I can show you where you can find the transaction. Let's go here on transactions. There we go. You will see something like this. You can see the date when the transaction was made. You can see the type of the transaction, so we received the transaction. You can see the address, and you can see the amount of Penta. And we have here a little green clock. So it says confirming 7 of 10 recommended confirmations. So if we have those 10 confirmations, there will be a green check. We can also double click on this one and we will have the transaction details. Well, I showed you how to download the wallet, how to install it, how to buy some coins, how to encrypt it, and let's say you want to stake these coins you have. So let's unlock the wallet for staking. You have to do this every time you close your wallet. So if you reopen your wallet, you have to unlock it again for staking. So let's go to settings, click on unlock wallet, type in your passphrase for staking only, check, and click on OK. What happened now? you can see the log is open again and it says encrypted and currently unlocked for staking only, where you can see that your coins are staking. That's the icon right here. It's gray and it says not staking because you don't have major coins. The maturity time of the coins are like about 2 hours, so we will have check back on 11:14 and we will see that this little green arrow will turn into green and we will stake. Okay, we are back now. Let's take a look. We got like 120 confirmations. We had the first transaction on 9:14. Now it's 11:38. So let's unlock our wallet for staking if you didn't already unlock it. A, B, C, D, E for staking only. And our lock is open. It says unlocked for staking only. Not staking because wallet is locked. Okay, let's just wait for a second. Go to dashboard, go back to transactions. Sometimes it has some delay. Oh, and you see it's staking. You can see now our weight. It will always reply your amount of counts and the network weight. So we see the whole network is staking with 139,000 coins. And my expected time to earn a reward is about 23 minutes. So if you have your wallet and you are staking, you need to keep the wallet running, because if you close it, the staking will not work. So you have a hot wallet. That's why they call it hot, because it has to be online all the time and you can't close it. If you close it and you reopen it and you want to stake again, you have to unlock again your wallet. So that's all for the wallet. Happy staking, have some nice rewards, and good luck to you.